Hearty welcome to Learn with JoJoy.
Read along stories for kids. The Bird and the Trees. Are you ready to read with me? Let's get started. Once upon a time, long ago, it was very cold. All the birds had flown away to the warm south to wait for spring to return, but one little bird was left behind. She didn't know what to do. She looked all around to see if there was a place where she could stay safe and warm. Suddenly, she saw the trees in the great forest. The first tree she came to was a broad one. "Beautiful tree," she said, "will you please let me live in your warm branches until the springtime comes?" "Goodness me," said the tree, "what a thing to ask. I have to look after my own leaves all winter without looking after you too. Go away." And so the little bird came to a short tree. "Excuse me, short tree," said the little bird, "will you please let me live in your branches until the springtime comes?" "Goodness me," said the short tree, "what a thing to ask. If you stay in my branches all winter, you will eat all my fruits. Go away." The little bird came to a tall tree at the edge of the stream. "Hello, lovely tall tree," she said, "will you please let me live in your warm branches until the springtime comes?" "Oh, heavens no," said the tall tree. "I never speak to strangers. Go away." The poor little bird did not know where to go or what to do next. So she wandered along the forest. A small tree had been watching the little bird and asked her, "Where are you going, little bird?" "I don't know," said the little bird. "The trees will not let me live in their branches." And with that, the little bird began to cry. Feeling awfully sorry for her, the tree said, "You may live on me. This one is the warmest of them all." The little bird stopped crying and looked up at the kind tree and asked, "But may I stay all winter?" "Of course," said the small tree. "I would like to have you. You can keep me company." Next to the small tree was a pine tree, and he had overheard this conversation. He said to the little bird, "My branches are not very warm, but I can keep the wind away from you because I am big and strong." So the little bird hopped and fluttered up into the warm branch of the small tree, while the pine tree sheltered him from the wind. Just behind the pine tree was an apple tree, and she had seen what was going on and kindly said to the little bird, "You can eat my apples throughout the winter. They are very good for little birds like you." The little bird felt very cozy, and with a big smile on her face, she said a big thank you to her new friends. At the edge of the forest, the broad, tall, and short trees gathered round, having watched what had happened. I wouldn't take care of a strange bird, said the broad one. I wouldn't risk all of my fruits being eaten, said the short. You wouldn't catch me speaking to strangers like that, said the tall. And so the three trees stood up proud, all feeling very pleased with themselves. That night, the north wind came to the woods to play in the forest. He puffed at the leaves of the broad tree with his icy breath and danced amongst the short and tall tree. One by one, every tree fell to the ground. He wanted to touch every tree in the forest. North Wind had to leave all the small tree, pine and apple tree, along with all the other evergreen trees, all through winter as a reward for their kindness. The bird lived happily with the three tree friends ever after. God sees our attitudes. He helps those who help others. That is, virtue is rewarded. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Stay safe and stay healthy.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, like and comment. Share this video to your friends. See you soon in the next video.